Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Good morning. So revise yesterday's topic, ma, ionization energy and atomic radius. So participants only 70 members. Actually, our participants 140 members. 140 members. I will wait for 2 more minutes. After that, I am going to start the topic. Meanwhile, discuss yesterday's topic, some questions. Hello.
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
can hear you.
Okay, thank you, students. So can I ask questions now? Ionization energy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
What is the definition of ionization energy? What is the definition?
The energy required to remove an electron from a
Stable, neutral, isolated gaseous
gaseous
atom, ma'am.
isolated atom.
The amount of energy required to remove an electron from neutral gaseous isolated atom.
Neutral gaseous isolated atom, ma'am.
Neutral gaseous isolated atom.
Okay, ma'am.
So just always imagine sodium or else magnesium or else like a good example aluminium. Aluminium, it is in solid state. That solid state we have to convert into gaseous state, students. Gaseous state, how to convert? Solid to gaseous state.
Very high pressure and low temperature, ma'am.
Sublimation process. What is
Yes, ma'am, that sublimation process,
sublimation
direct from
process?
solid to gas.
If any solid, any metal, if it is in solid state, you have to convert into first gaseous state by sublimation process. Then you can go for the removing electron. So while removing electron, definitely we have to supply energy. That energy only we call as ionization energy. Very good. Next, afterwards we have discussed other points. Third ionization energy, second ionization energy, first ionization energy. So give me, what is the point?
Third ionization energy is more than second is more than first, ma'am.
What is the reason, Arya?
The reason is, ma'am, as we remove electrons, they keep getting closer to the nucleus, ma'am. So the effective nuclear charge increases.
Effective nuclear charge increases, then tightly hold the electron, removing electron, it's very difficult. We need to supply more energy. In case of third ionization energy. Okay, so CBSE board students, you can expect questions like this: third ionization energy greater than, second ionization energy greater than first ionization energy. What is the reason behind? Like that. But PU board students, how you people get questions? Direct questions. What is ionization energy? How it can vary in trends? How it can vary in periods and groups? That's all. Direct question. But mains exam, other questions, exceptional cases, advanced questions, like what is this half filled electronic configuration, completely filled electronic configurations we are taking, in which case ionization energy is more, and what is the reasons, and three successive ionization energy values they will give. So based on 3 successive or 4 successive ionization energies, we have to find out the particular element or particular group. So like that, good number of questions are there, we are going to discuss now. Before going to the before going to the questions, let me ask one more. Variations along the period, down the group, what happened?
Ionization energy increases as we go across the period. Decreases down the group.
Decreases down the group as we move across the period, increases. What is the reason?
Ma'am, as atomic radius decreases, ionization energy increases, ma'am.
Actually, atomic radius and ionization energy both are inversely proportional to each other. Okay, fine. And afterwards, suppose they ask same question, it is 3 marks, you have to explain the points. Okay, explain the points. Shells, same shell electron is entering. As we move down the group, hello?
Number of cell increases.
Increases.
Yes, correct, students. So number of shells increases, what happens? Attraction.
Decreases.
Attraction decreases. That's the reason we have to remove electron very easily. The same question again, different ways they will ask. Okay. Now, next one. In periodic table, for which metal easily we can remove electron? Did you understand, ma'am?
Cesium.
Cesium. Okay, very good. Francium is radioactive. I said yesterday, depends on your option, students. If they had given option francium, so then we have to select francium. If not, we have to select for, what is that? Cesium. Clear? Any other doubts?
Ma'am, if both options are there?
Both options they won't give. Both options they will. If they given both options, they will add one word there. Radioactive. Which is radioactive?
Francium.
That's all.
Francium.
Francium, the radioactive. Then you can select the options. Okay. So any other doubts in ionization energy, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can see variations. So already we have started yesterday variation, students, along the period and down the group, right? So now I will explain second period elements. Can you tell what are second period elements?
Beryllium, magnesium, calcium.
Lithium, helium,
Boron,
carbon, nitrogen,
fluorine,
neon. That's all. Second period elements up to halogens. No need of taking what is this noble gases. Why? Because noble gases gives always the positive electron gain enthalpy, and removing such electrons is very difficult. Tell me why?
Stable state, ma'am.
What is the reason?
Completely filled, stable, ma'am.
Yes, stable, completely filled electronic configuration in outermost shell we observed. So tell me, students, helium, what is electronic configuration? Helium.
1s2, ma'am.
1s2. What is the s orbital capacity?
2 electrons.
it's completely filled or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what is this configuration? We call it as
Duplet configuration.
very good. So whenever you will observe, not only noble gases students, not only noble gases, in other elements, other species also, whenever you will get completely filled and off filled also, off filled. Completely filled and off filled atomic orbitals are there, those are more stable. Can you give an example? Off filled.
Nitrogen, ma'am.
Excellent students. Nitrogen ionization energy, very important. Why? Because exception case is there. When compared to oxygen family, when compared to carbon family, nitrogen group, 15th group elements only required high ionization energy. What could be the reason? Because of off-filled electronic configuration. The similar way, one more is there in second period elements. Can you guess? Second period elements, one more is there. Can you guess what is that?
Helium, ma'am.
Which one, ma?
Beryllium, ma'am.
Beryllium, excellent. Even beryllium family also. Second A group elements, ionization energy is 50A group, that means 15th group. Second group, 15th group, ionization energies plays important role for our mains and advanced level. So because their exceptional cases are there. Okay, now look into this. Tell me students, first what you are expecting case. Variations in second period, ionization energy, IE. What is your expecting?
Will increase from lithium to fluorine, ma'am.
As we move across the period, what happened? Ionization energy?
Increases, ma'am.
Increases means like this we have expected. Why we are not taking noble gases means noble gas story is different. We are not comparing with others. Themselves we are noble gas themselves we are comparing. So we are not comparing with other family because the completely different electronic configuration, that too completely filled electronic configuration, duplet and octet. Definitely ionization energy is more, and next to other properties also, electron gain enthalpy also it shows positive. So some points is there. That's why noble gases we are not comparing with others. Only second period elements up to halogen family you can note it. Now tell me students, actual case I am writing. I am writing actual case. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Clear students? Now can you tell me where exceptional cases? Where
Beryllium and
Beryllium and
nitrogen.
nitrogen.
Beryllium family, second group elements, more ionization energy when compared to lithium, that is we expected. But unexpected, see, unexpected, even beryllium family ionization energy compared to boron also more. What is the reason? What is the reason? Because
Half-filled electronic configuration.
completely filled. Next, again the same thing. Here trend is not changing. Here trend is not changing. So listen carefully. Next to nitrogen. When you come to the nitrogen, again be alert. Nitrogen, when compared to the before family ionization energy, yes, we expected this one. But unexpected case. What is this unexpected case? See, nitrogen.
More than oxygen, ma'am.
More energy. Then what about this guy? This is normal, no issue. So finally, where we observed the different cases, just to underline those points. See, beryllium family showing abnormality in ionization energy, and nitrogen family also absorbing, what is this? Showing abnormal behavior in ionization energy. So write it down, electronic configuration. This is what students NS2. This is what students NS2 NP3. Okay, if you will write box method, you will come to know more clear. So what is the box method? Tell me. What is the box method? NS2 means yes. How many electrons, students?
2 electrons, ma'am.
Yes, one upward, one downward. Here, same thing. 2.
3 upward, ma'am, and P.
3 3 upwards. That is our convenient we are writing. But suppose advanced exam they gave question like this. What is this? Okay, like this. In advanced exam, suppose you may get question like this. This is also correct. This is also correct. But mains exam, this is perfect. This is perfect. One single correct answer. Advanced exam, you may write like this also. That's why while explanation time I said electron is revolving around the nucleus in a circular path, right? So whenever electron hit the other electron, or else whenever electron is near the other electron, then what happens, students? Repulsion takes place, right? Whenever repulsion takes place, direction will change. We cannot write only plus like this, but our convenient we are writing like this. But advanced exam, you don't fix only this is the answer. Multiple answers, right? You can chances this also. Now next one. Okay, students. Now note it down, no points. We'll discuss now all exceptional cases questions.
Ma'am, the half-filled orbital is only for the p orbital.
Yes, ma. Only half filled. This is also completely filled, Nora. NS2 also completely filled, but exactly we are speaking this one half filled. You can write here point. This is completely filled electronic configuration. If you are clear with this concept, students, D and F block elements we are going to learn in second year. The same topics. You no need to take more stress also. D and F block elements, it starts, they will give program 8 days. But 8 days program you feels very comfortable. Only 1 or 2 points you may not know. So remaining all the points we are covering in basics first year. Okay, what type of questions they are asking? Listen. Copper plus 1, copper plus 2, which is having more ionization energy. So copper, chromium, anomalous configuration. Next, magnetic moment calculation. Next, unpaired electrons calculations. Color, colorless, all these points. Same questions it appears. Next, this is what completely filled. This is half filled. Okay, note down points. We can do good number of questions. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, I will start simple questions. Then, we'll start tricky questions in annihilation energies. Copper plus 2 ionization energy exceptionally very high. What is the reason? We'll take this electronic configuration. Whenever you will get ionization energy questions, first you have to write electronic configurations. Then you will get definitely idea. What is the copper atomic number, students?
29.
Yes. What is the outermost electronic configuration? Argon.
4s1,
4s1, 3d9, 3d10.
4s1, 3d10. Fine. Okay, students. First, copper plus 2 they are asking. Copper plus 2 they are asking means first we have to notice copper plus 1. No? First we have to check it copper plus 1. Copper plus 1 means where I will remove electron. Tell me.
4s1, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
S1.
Very good. 4s1 we removed electron. So then what I have got here? 3d.
3d10.
Yes, then output is 3d10. Now I am going to remove second electron in copper. Second electron in copper. Where I have to remove electron? Tell me, students.
From 3d10, ma'am.
3d
10.
10. Yes. Finally, what I will get here? 3d
3d9.
9. But this step to this step, it's very high ionization energy it takes. It takes very high ionization energy. Can you give what is the answer?
Half-filled electrons, ma'am.
Completely filled. Complete.
Completely filled, sir.
What is D? What is D capacity? Electrons, tell me.
10,
10, ma'am.
10 electrons.
10 electrons. Is it completely filled or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completely filled means it is stable or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Is stable. Stable guy. Stable guy is not removing electrons. See, if you want to see the picture, you can draw this one again. So, orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Completely filled. I want to remove this electron. I have to supply more energy. I am not saying it is not possible. I am saying it is very difficult to remove such electron because in stable state. That's why what is the reason? Copper plus 2 ionization energy exceptionally very high. What is the reason? Reason
Because it has a completely filled electronic configuration, ma'am.
due to D10 configuration. Due to D10 configuration. It is completely filled. See, I didn't teach today new point. So what is this old point only? From beginning onwards, I am discussing this point. That's what I am telling. So if you have command stable electronic configuration, if you have command in electronic configuration and half filled and completely filled points, then these type of questions, nothing. It's very easy. You will enjoy more. The same similar questions, 50% questions you may get in D and F block elements in second year also. Why? Because D and F block element, these are all transition elements. Did you observe? Copper is transition element. D block 3D series we are learning again. There again we will get these questions. Due to D10 configuration, it is completely filled. It is completely filled and more stable. Removing such electrons, note it down. Removing such electrons, very difficult. That's all. Clear point? Any doubt? Hello?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Next. Already you know this point. Once again, I am writing on the screen. Cu plus 2, which is colored.
Cu plus 2, ma'am.
Plus 2, ma'am.
Cu
Unpaired electron.
blue color. See the same question they will ask again here. Blue color. This is the guy is colorless. Colored means what is the reason? Due to
Unpaired
The number
electron.
of unpaired electrons.
superb. Due to the presence of unpaired electron. That's it. So if you look into electronic configuration, yes, after remove one electron, you will get 3d9. 3d9. How you will write 3d9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This electron gives finally colors to us. That's it. Note it down points. Next question we can solve. Pravesh Kumar. Pravesh. Is it completed, students?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Completed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm giving one question. Here also exceptional case is there. I will explain atomic radius and I'm giving homework to you, boron family, ionization energy, different trends we have. That is advanced question. Boron family. Or we call it as one more 13th group. Which group it is? 13th group. And also call it as third.
Study group.
Yes, very good, students. List out boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Whereas in S block elements, we are using single word. What is that? First A group elements. As we move down the group, what happened? Ionization energy. Tell me.
Decrease.
Decreases, ma'am.
Atomic radius.
Decreases, ma'am.
Increases. Single word we are telling. But 13th family, not like that. 13th family, many exceptional cases we have. Inorganic chemistry, wherever exceptional case that is most important for our competitive exams. Now, what is the outermost electronic configuration? NS2, N.
NP1.
Okay, so here what is this? One exceptional case is there. One exceptional case is there. Can you find? I'm giving 1 minute time to you.
Aluminium, ma'am.
Aluminium, ma'am.
Aluminium and aluminium. Aluminium. Okay.
Lithium, ma'am.
Hmm.
Lithium.
Thallium and aluminium, ma'am.
Only one, only atomic radius time only one, ionization energy time two, ionization energy time. That's why I am ionization energy, boron family, everybody do and come. Afternoon we have advanced class, there also I will ask question, and tomorrow morning session also I will ask boron family ionization energy. Even recent NEET exam, recent mains exam also they ask this question, ionization energy. Okay, now tell me students, what you expected? Expected case, as we move down the group, what happened? Tell me.
Ionization energy decreases, ma'am.
No, I am talking first atomic radius. I am talking
Atomic
first
radius
atomic.
increases, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Atomic radius increases. Means we expected aluminium. Next, what is this? Gallium. Indium, thallium. Right? Right? Okay. I am telling exceptional case where also. After that, you can guess what is the reason. What is the reason? This is gallium, aluminium. Volta. Volta. See, boron, next gallium, next aluminium, then indium, thallium, no change. But what is the reason? Let me know. I am giving 1 minute time to you. No hurry. Think and do. And this point already we have discussed. Atomic radius. One factor is there. Did you get answer? Students?
No, is it because aluminium is an amphoteric oxide? No.
No. Actually, atomic radius time, this point we have spent more time.
Ma'am.
Atomic radius time. Factors affecting the atomic radius we have discussed. No, there one by one. Tell me what and all points we have discussed. Tell me.
Ma'am, shall I say the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is because of the poor shielding of 3D electrons, ma'am. So atomic size decreases.
Who is this?
Anish, ma'am.
Anish. Poor shielding effect. Which one?
Ma'am, of gallium, ma'am. So atomic size decreases and effective nuclear.
What is the outermost electronic configuration of gallium?
3D.
What is the outermost electronic configuration of gallium?
3D3, ma'am.
You are telling one
Ma'am,
point.
4P1, ma'am.
Okay, 4P1. Okay, fine. Before, one more point is there, 3D.
3D is 3D 10, 4P1.
3D?
10, 4P1.
3D10. 3D10. So aluminium case, just you can observe aluminium case outermost configuration 3s2 3p1. That's all. No, 3D is there, but it is 0, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about this guy gallium 4s2 4p1? Outermost only I am writing, ma. Carefully you can observe. So 4s2 4p1. What about 3D10? Filled and come. After 4s only 3D will come, no? Right or not? 4s filled, then 3D.
Right, ma'am.
Then 4p. 3D10 electronic configuration for gallium. 3D10. So we expected. Did you observe screening? Screening.
Poor shielding effect by d electrons, ma'am.
Actually, screening effect time, S electrons, P electrons, D electrons, F electrons I gave. Which will screens more, which will screen poor? Tell me.
S will screen the most and F will screen the least, ma'am.
Yes, F and D also. If here F is not there, leave it. So, but D and SPD, which will poor shielding effect now? Tell me.
D, ma'am.
D, ma'am.
D electrons. Due to poor shielding effect of. Due to poor shielding effect of D electrons. Why it is poor shielding effect? Tell me, students. What is the reason?
Complex structure to move, ma'am.
Because it has double dumbbell shape. Double dumbbell shape. S orbital revolving around the nucleus in a spherical way. The rotation is very easy. That's why screening is more. P little difficult. D and F more difficult. But when compared to D and F is very poor. But D also poor shielding effect of D electrons. Okay. So finally, aluminum is dominating gallium. We expected as we move down the group, what happens, students? Shells increases. Shells increases means we expected. So atomic radius increases. So at the same time, what happened? No, this D electrons are inner D electrons are there. Inner D electrons are there. Inner D electrons are not screening much. Then what happened? Atomic radius. Atomic radius.
Increased, ma'am.
Decrease.
No, it is not screening much. Atomic radius.
Decrease.
Decreased, ma'am.
Screening effect is more. Atomic radius increases. Right. His inner electrons are more. So 3D 10 electrons are there. We expected it screens more, and what happened? Size increases. But the guy is poor screening. He is not screening much. Then what happened? Atomic radius decreases. I am telling one more point, students. Wherever atomic radius exceptional cases are there, definitely ionization energy also affect. I am giving key point also. Definitely ionization energy, what happened? Ulta. Gallium and aluminum, ulta. Even indium, thallium also ulta. I am giving hint also. But tomorrow or afternoon class, I need perfect answer, ionization energy of boron family. So can I expect answer from you tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Afternoon, what time is the class, ma'am?
Afternoon, same time, yesterday 2 to 2:45. Yesterday last 5 minutes, no, I was tried my level best, but because of signal problem and system also not supported. So continuously 8:30 to classes, no, system sometimes hang, no, we in our hands. If by mistake, that's I have seen time, that time 2:41, 2:42. So almost 3 minutes time. That's the reason I closed the class. If some 15 minutes time is there, definitely I can re-log in. But yesterday only 2 minutes time is there, 2 to 3 minutes. That's why I was not come back. Sometimes signal problems, sometimes more wind. That is there, acceptable points. Students, is it clear? Now advanced exam, you can expect this question. Gallium and aluminum, which is having more atomic radius. What is the reason? What is the expecting trend of atomic radius of boron family? So like that they will ask questions. Ionization energy also.
Ma'am, but indium and thallium also have D10 electrons, ma'am.
4f electrons entry, no? 4f.
Yes, ma'am. But oh, okay.
That ionization energy time we are expecting that one. Ionization energy time, whatever you are telling point, it's correct, ma'am. This 4f14 will come. This is 4f14.
Ma'am, a little confusion, ma'am. More the atomic radius, more the ionization, least the ionization energy, no, ma'am.
More atomic radius, least ionization energy.
Gallium atomic radius is less than aluminium, ma'am.
Ionization energy, what happened?
So it will
Atomic.
have more than.
Now
Have more than
ionization.
aluminium.
Okay. See, I am writing here. Ionization energy of gallium and aluminum. Which is greater, students?
Gallium, ma'am.
Gallium. That's why I said wherever atomic radius exceptional case is there, definitely ionization energy also affect. So what we know? Atomic radius inversely proportional to ionization energy.
Ionization energy.
Yes, right. You are telling gallium atomic size is small. Size is small means definitely ionization energy effect will be more, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. See, 1 point I only gave. Next one, indium thallium also there. Indium thallium. 4f electrons. 4f electrons. At least indium thallium you can refer and come. If you refer to students, that you will remember longer days. And next, this is one of the most important question. Not only weekend exams, final exams also. Next one, a well-known example. Zirconium and hafnium, similar atomic radii. Are you remembered?
Yes, ma'am, you told.
What is the reason?
Ma'am.
What is the reason? My atomic radius. I'm not talking ionization energy. Listen carefully. So atomic radius of zirconium and hafnium. Tell me, it's similar.
Because they are twins, ma'am.
We call it as
4D and 5D.
4D and 5D. Not only zirconium and hafnium, but generally they are asking zirconium and hafnium. Not only that 4D whole series, 4D all elements and 5D all elements. Finally, we call it as twins. Twins is nothing but same characteristics. Here, what is same? Atomic radius is same. Maybe it is 155 picometers, ma'am. So then what is this? 156.2 or else 156.8, like that it can show. So what is this first element? Scandium. Next one, what is this? Yttrium. Next one, lanthanum. Next to actinium. As we move down the group, this is what? Titanium. This is zirconium. This is hafnium. This is incomplete period. Okay. As we move down the group, atomic radius increases. That increment we expected more, but it's very less. It is increasing, there is no doubt. Slight variation. But if you look into above guy, who is the guy? Titanium. Titanium, if you see 165 picometers. No, this is not 165. No, this
That's what, ma'am. It's more than.
143 picometers. As we move down the group increases, no. So the titanium is lesser than, but these two equal, almost equal, like that. Okay, we have discussed already this point. Now ionization energy, can you tell? Ionization energy of zirconium and hafnium. Ionization energy of, think it, zirconium and hafnium. Why thinking so much? Values I gave, no? Which is atomic radius slightly more.
Osmium, ma'am.
Osmium, ma'am.
Hafnium slightly more means ionization potential.
Less, ma'am.
Rises.
Mhm.
Decreases from ionization.
Ionization energy decreases. Okay, students completed.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Number of questions chances are there. Ionization energy. Number of questions, if you solve 100 questions also, again exceptional cases we have, but exceptional cases time how to connect the points. If completely filled is there, what is the point? Off filled is there, what is the point? If something poor shielding is there, what is the point? If you have command, then you can solve good number of questions in exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one, ma. Nitrogen. Note down the questions. First ionization energy of, note down next question. I am talking first ionization energy, keep it in mind. First IE of nitrogen and oxygen, which is high. First ionization energy of nitrogen
Nitrogen, ma'am.
Nitrogen, ma'am.
is very good. Right electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So outermost shell, if you compare, this is completely filled. What about this guy? This is off filled. So definitely see oxygen also. If you are confusing, better to write box method, get more clarity. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. See the point, what is the new point? It is completely filled. It is first filling Hund's rule. First filling, then pairing will start. Okay, fine. Though in oxygen, though electrons is more in oxygen, but ionization energy of nitrogen is more. See, here 2p4 electrons, here 2p3 electrons. We have expected here more electrons. That's the reason we removing electron, more ionization energy is required. Not like that. So exactly off filled. It is exactly off filled. Because of exactly off filled, ionization energy abnormal behavior increases. Your answer is correct. First ionization energy of, tell me, nitrogen is greater than first ionization energy of oxygen. Clear? Now, next question. Note it down. Second ionization energy of nitrogen and oxygen, which is high. Stepwise, if you go, you will get command.
Oxygen is more, ma'am.
Oxygen is more. Why?
Because oxygen
Because
has
oxygen
stability, ma'am,
becomes
currently, when you
half-filled.
remove the first electron.
Now oxygen became like oxygen.
Half-filled, ma'am. Half-filled p
Nitrogen.
orbital.
Nitrogen. It's very easy. Superb students. Now, note it down, no? Other students, you also Take electronic configuration and check it. First ionization energy, second ionization energy, third ionization energy, successive ionization energy. So many points they will speak, but we can follow always electronic configurations. We'll write electronic configurations and find out. See students, second ionization energy of nitrogen and oxygen, which is high, which is,
Oxygen, ma'am.
yes, very good. Answer is oxygen. Other students, if you need answer, check it. How to solve such type of questions. Oxygen. Now look into this. Nitrogen. First nitrogen case you can write, ma. So we have, I am writing directly box method. So this is outermost electron. Where I removed electron, tell me students, where I have to remove electron? 2p, no? The last electron. The last electron I am removing. Okay, right. This is nitrogen outermost. Now nitrogen, 1 electron I removed. 1 electron I removed means rest part is, output is this one. Yes, this electron I removed. That's it. Now oxygen. Come back to the oxygen case. Oxygen outermost 2s, 2p4. Right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other one, students, where I have to remove electron, tell me. How to remove electron?
The paired one.
Very good. Paired one we have to remove. Paired one, because that is last electron. Did you understand my point?
Yes, ma'am. According to
According to Hund's rule, first we have to fill electrons, then pairing. Pairing first here. This is the differentiating. This is the last electron. Always we have to remove last electron. That's it. Now coming output is here 2 electrons. Next students, check it here. Exactly off filled. See, it is like nitrogen case now. It is like nitrogen case now. That's why second ionization energy of oxygen is greater than second ionization energy of nitrogen. So whereas in mains exams you may get first question, but advanced exam this you will get these questions, and KCET exam also very easy students. Just I give period, no, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, like second period elements, exceptional cases, up to there they will ask direct questions many. But mains also okay, considerable. Advanced exam, you don't say always nitrogen family is the greater ionization energy. When it is in neutral condition, yes, no doubt. But we'll go to the first ionization energy, no doubt. But once we'll go to the second, third, like that, you have to write electronic configurations, then consider. Okay, now beryllium and boron. Beryllium and boron, I'll come back. If you catch this point, that is also very easy. And new students, anyone who are not responding in classes, those students, please let me know answer from your end. What is this next question? No? Ionization energy of, first ionization energy of beryllium and boron, which is high, which is high.
Can I say, ma'am?
beryllium, ma'am.
I say ma'am, beryllium, ma'am.
Very good. Right. Okay, super. Beryllium, because it has
Completely filled, ma'am.
Completely filled 1s2 orbital.
Very good.
2s2.
What about boron? 1s2.
One
One
unpaired.
electron. One unpaired electron as well, ma'am.
2s2. Beryllium 1s2, 2s2. Okay, so 2s2. This is 2.
Ma'am, here also it will change, ma'am. The second ionization energy for boron will be more than beryllium.
Yes, very good. That's the reason I gave this question. That's the reason.
Because now boron has become completely filled orbital with 2s2.
Is it Arya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now I'm coming to the first question. First ionization energy of beryllium and boron, which is high, students. You clearly said what is the answer. Beryllium ionization energy is
More than first ionization energy is more than boron's first ionization energy, ma'am.
Okay, this is, I'm removing electron from here. It's not difficult, but I'm removing electron in 2s2. It is completely filled. More energy is required. That's it. Clear. Now next one. Next one. What is the next question? Oh my God. Is it completed, ma? Taken points?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Second question.
Completed, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Today very fast, you people. Good. Next, question 2. Second ionization energy of beryllium and boron, which is
Boron, ma'am.
Boron.
Very good. So why? Because second ionization energy means you can write the output first. Beryllium plus. Beryllium plus means
1s2, 2s1.
superb. 1s2, 2s1. Next, second ionization energy of, what is the
1s2, 2s2.
1s2, 2s2. Completely filled, ma'am.
correct. 1s2, 2s2. See, this is the condition. Beryllium plus, he lost one electron, boron lost one electron. The rest electronic configuration is like this. Once you look into this is completely filled. Yes, removing electron, it's very difficult. Here, half filled, okay, I can accept it. But when compared to completely filled, this is less stable. Then little energy is required. So finally, what is our answer? Second ionization energy of boron is greater than second ionization energy of beryllium. Reasons also you have to write. True or false questions, assertion, reason type questions. So you can expect. Match the following. Any doubts, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
One doubt, ma'am, like general doubt. Will they give question like compare first ionization energy of nitrogen with second ionization energy of oxygen?
No. They won't compare like this.
They won't
They won't,
compare, no,
because
because both are same. It will be
both
both
are
will
equal.
be half.
Both are equal, no? Both are equal. If they asked equal, you can tell. But that type of questions, we still we did not see that one. So if suppose if you may get that question, you can write both are same.
Okay, ma'am, we can write both of them.
All first ionization energies, all second ionization energies only generally they will come. Now next.
Ma'am, by seeing the ionization energy, we can even find the valency of the element, no, ma'am?
Yes. That is only. They will give 3 successive ionization energies, 2 successive ionization energies, 4 successive ionization energies. That question only my next question. Based on that, we'll come to know valence electrons also. Okay, slow basic questions to high end questions we will move, then everybody catch the points. Now next question, no doubt. The sudden largest jump, this theory question, big question, but answer is very easy. Sudden largest jump. Sudden largest jump between the values of second and third IP, ionization potential, ionization energy, both are same. Ionization IP of an atom would be associated with the electronic configuration. Okay, I am giving options to you students. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Hurry, don't give answer. Think and give. I will ask reasons also. It's very easy. But we have to give answer first like that. Some students little hurry they're giving. That is okay. But think it. 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s2. Next, third option, 1s2, 2s1. Fourth option, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
Ma'am, I'll tell ma'am. I think the answer.
Yes.
Answer is fourth option, ma'am.
Answer is fourth option. Is it Arya or Anish?
Arya, ma'am.
Very good.
Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Remaining students, ma, girls, boys, remaining students. Think it. If you are getting answer, fine. If not, we will discuss. Others, anyone, can you respond? What is the answer?
Fourth option, ma'am.
Fourth option. Why? What is the reason, ma?
Ma'am, it is difficult to remove the electron from successive completely filled orbitals.
Very good. Others, if you are confusing, you can check it now. Sudden largest jump between the values of second and third IP of an atom would be associated with the electronic configuration. So you people are telling answer is 4. Yes, answer is correct. So why? We'll see this one. Why not other cases? I'm coming to the directly answer. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Right? So 3s2. If you will write outermost box method, outermost electronic configuration, this is the guy completely filled. 1s, 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Here. Where sudden jump they were telling second and third. What is the first ionization energy for this case? First ionization energy means I removed electron here. There is no doubt here also required high. Why? Because it is beryllium family. It is electronic configuration of magnesium. It is electronic configuration of magnesium, right? So magnesium ionization energy, first ionization energy also takes more, no doubt. But second ionization energy, again it is taking. But first ionization energy means this electron I removed. Second ionization energy means this electron I removed. Third ionization energy means I am coming to the 2p6 completely filled. That too noble gas electronic configuration. What is this guy? Neon state. He became to neon state. Neon state is completely filled electronic configuration now. 6 electrons paired. It is more stable. For more stable electron, removing it's very difficult. We need to supply more energy. That's why sudden jump. Maybe first ionization energy case you may observe 1000 joules, and second ionization energy maybe you observe 250 joules, and sudden jump means here you will get 2000 joules like this. Sudden jump, long variation, or else sometimes no questions like this they will give. 500 joules, that next questions I am giving. Before going to the questions, I'll give you clarity. 500 joules and 750 joules. Next 1300 joules. Next one here you will get 4000 joules. See, 4 successive ionization energies or 2 successive ionization energies or 3 successive ionization energies they will give. Based on that also you will come to know valence electrons. How to find out valence electrons? Just check it. First electron removing it is 500, but first to second there is no too much variation. How much variation there are? Tell me students, how much variation?
280 joules variation, ma'am.
150.
This is 750, ma. 500.
Okay.
250, ma'am.
250, ma'am.
Okay, and this to this, how much difference, ma? How much difference?
600.
Nearly 600.
Nearly
100
600,
so.
ma'am.
But
550.
here to here.
A lot, ma'am.
Lot. More than
2700.
Around
3000.
around
3700,
3000,
ma'am.
okay, something around 3000. See the large jump where it is here. So based on that you come to know 3 valence electrons, and the fourth one we are removing the other shell. 3 valence electrons means who is the guy? Nitrogen pumping. Correct or not? Did you understand? NS2, NP3 electronic configuration. Like that you will get the coil. So, but you don't confuse. I'll give you two, 3 questions here. Before going to the questions, this is a little hint for you. Once you will get the question, more clarity you will get it. Now, any doubt here, students? Any doubt? Suppose the same thing you can observe here. First, second, okay, removed. But I am removing here. There is no largest jump. But here also 3D5. It will get, but it's not largest jump. Some jump. But here no problem. See here, this is completely filled electronic configuration. That's fine. Large variation second and third IP you get. Okay. These questions it will take time to understand, but once you catch the logic there, nothing, within seconds you'll get answers. Now we'll take some questions. Right. The correct values of IE, the correct values of IE in kilojoules. In kilojoules, they had given here values 284. This is previous year question. 284, 412, next 656, and what is this value? 3250. 3250 joules. 3250 kilojoule per mole. Okay, fine. The number of valence electrons. Number of I'm giving options. 1. This is 2 valence electrons. 3 only. Like 4 only.
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Very good. See, within the seconds you are getting answers. So what is that? You will write successive ionization energies 282. What is this? 412 and 656. Next one 3250. See, what is this? The values for sudden jump here 200. Okay,
Third, ma'am. 3 valence is 3.
so here to here hundreds only, but here thousands, large gap is there. That means suddenly going to the next level. Means here 3 valence electrons are there. Then next going to the other. Clear point, students? Like if you look into boron, students, boron, what is outermost electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Okay, 3 valence electrons. First electron removing here, second electron removing here, third electron, same shell I removed, same shell I removed. But fourth electron removing where? I am going to the next jump, next one. This is 2s, 2p, and this is 1s. Suddenly I am moving to the other one. Sudden jump is there here. Because 1s2 completely filled electronic configuration, other level also going, that sudden jump. That's why valence electrons here 3. And yesterday, last 243 time, that time I gave one question, students. Anyone have that question, students? Did you get answer yesterday?
Ma'am, actually, we couldn't get the fourth option.
Okay. I will write.
Yes, ma'am.
I will write the same question, ionization energy. So, is it clear, students? Is it clear? Any doubt till now? Whatever concept, any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You'll expect questions like this on the ionization energy. Okay. Now, yesterday's question I am giving once again. In the afternoon session also, I am going to discuss ionization energy questions only more. Next, note down the question. Up to here, your syllabus. Do you know what is this weekend syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what and all topics.
Ma'am, like classifying elements into blocks, and then electronic configuration in groups, periods, metals, non-metals, metalloids, atomic radius, ionic radius, and I think one more topic.
Ionization enthalpy
Yes,
also mentioned.
yes, ma'am. Ionization enthalpy is given, yeah.
Ionization enthalpy means ionization energy only. Ionization energy, ionization enthalpy, ionization potential, all are same. All are same. One second, where is this question? Somewhere it's gone. Write down. Among the following elements whose electronic configuration are given below, the one having the highest ionization energy. So can I dictate the question? Other students, you also copy. Yesterday who are not attended advanced class, for them don't know. So I am writing on the screen this question. After that, try to give answer. Among the following elements, whose electronic configuration given below. Whose electronic configuration given below. The one having the highest ionization energy. The one having high ionization energy.
चार्जिंग मत चढ़ा कहाँ नहीं है बेटा
Shashank, we can hear you.
Shashank, mute.
सॉरी मैम
Okay, no problem. Sometimes it will happen at home.
मैम आई थिंक so by mistake it got on by mistake it got on sorry
No problem. It's acceptable. Now, next one. What is the third option, the students? Neon.
Ne3s2, neon 3p2.
3p2. Next, neon. 3d10, 4s2 4p3. So based on electronic configuration also they will ask you questions ionization energy. Can you guess what is the answer here?
Second option, ma'am.
Fourth option.
Second option,
Second
ma'am.
option, ma'am.
Second
Half
option.
filled p orbital.
No, even the fourth one.
Fourth option also.
Ma'am, it should be fourth option, ma'am.
3D complete is there.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, fourth option, 3D completely filled.
Everything is
Screening effect
not
will be
filled
less,
and
ma'am.
completely filled, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So what is the first one? Second one, what is the element? Is it phosphorus?
Phosphorus.
After phosphorus, what is
Sulfur.
okay? Finally, first we have to delete wrong options. Delete wrong options. See
First one and third.
why you selected these two options? Why?
Half filled.
In both the cases, off-field electronic configuration is there. Off-field electronic configuration is there. That's why surely your answer is either 2 or 4. There is no doubt. Okay, options both I selected. Okay. Now these two wrong. These two it is not in our answer. Why? Because it is not completely filled. Leave it. Now come back to this. Now look into these elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Right. So if you look into nitrogen family, general electronic configuration is Ns2, Np3. When compared to other period, it has more ionization energy. When compared to other before family, it has more ionization energy. There is it is correct. It is correct. But as we move down the group, what happened? Ionization energy. As we move
Decreases.
ionization energy
Increases, ma'am.
decreases. Don't confuse. Atomic radius increases, no? Atomic radius increases means ionization energy.
Decreases, ma'am.
Decreases.
Okay. Maybe this is the guy phosphorus, ma. Okay, phosphorus 3. This is the guy arsenic. Right or not? So as we move down the group, ionization energy decreases, no? When compared to these two, the correct answer is clear. Did you understand my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Both are off-field electronic configuration only. When you compare to the next group and previous group, there is no doubt nitrogen family elements having more ionization energy. But within the group also they will give questions. Within the group, exception case only boron family. Remaining cases, no, as we move down the group, ionization energy decreases. No doubt. Only boron family exceptions are there. So I am expecting answer from you, boron family ionization energy, tomorrow's class.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. Now next question. Right. Is it completed, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. I think this one also while writing only you can guess the answer. It's very easy. Next question. Write decreasing order of IE of following species. I am giving species to you: iron plus 2 ferrous ion plus 3 ferric ion. Within the atom also they will compare. Think and tell answer.
Ma'am, Fe+3 needs most ionization energy.
Yes. Actually, ionization energy concept definition itself, neutral atom to, what is this? Di-positive, next to tri-positive, the guy going, no? Right or not? Tri-positive.
Yes, ma'am.
Tri-positive is nothing but third ionization energy. Right? Third ionization energy is greater than second ionization energy, greater than first ionization energy. Remember? The same like here also.
So Fe+3, then Fe+2, then Fe.
Yes, Fe+3 greater than Fe+2 greater than neutral atom. Students, one more logic you can catch here. This is neutral atom, keep it side. But among two positive charges, both are positive, one is tri-positive, one is di-positive. So more positive charge is there, more positive charge is there. More positive charge, what happens, students? Attraction is strong, electron attraction is strong. Electron attraction is strong, removing such electrons is difficult. Can you accept this one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, other one also.
Atomic radius.
Atomic radius decreasing here, atomic radius increasing because effective nuclear charge increasing, no, effective nuclear charge increasing, attraction between the center of the nucleus and electron is strong. Suppose if you are what is this, if you are confusing big points, effective nuclear charge, that this and all, simple logic. What is this? Here more positive charge is there, then more positive charge, then tightly hold the electron, no? Tightly hold the electron means removing such electrons is very difficult, no? Next to charge, next to positive charge, next to neutral atom. Like this you can compare the questions. Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Even anions also, not only cations, no, anions also they will compare. I'll give one question. One nitrogen case. In which case ionization energy is more? Okay. I more for N3 minus O2 minus. If you catch less, then you will come to know more.
N3 minus.
Where ionization energy is more.
N3 minus.
O2 minus.
O minus 2, ma'am.
O2 minus, ma'am.
O2 minus. Answer is O2 minus. Why? Because oxygen has, suppose imagine O2 minus. How many shells? 1, 2, actual shells is 2, now 2 electrons gained. Okay, 1 like this. And what about the nitrogen? Actually 2 shells, now gained how many electrons? 3 electrons. Imagine like this. Then attraction between this and electron and attraction between this nucleus and electron, where strong, here strong. Why? Because here 4 shells, here how many shells? 5 shells. 5 shells, 4 shells. 4 shells attraction is more, atomic radius is less. Atomic radius less means ionization energy is more. Right? So this type of questions are very easy once you go back to the concept. But class
Ma'am,
time,
can you repeat? Can you repeat this one, ma'am?
N minus 3 gained how many electrons?
3 electrons.
3 electrons means 3 electron cloud increasing, no? Then attraction between the nucleus and the last electron is decreases, no? See here 5 electrons, here 3, actually 2. Nitrogen, what is electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2 shells already it has. Now 3 more shells came because it's gained electrons. Next, this is the condition. Now oxygen actually 2, now it gained 2 electrons, now became to 4th shell. Fourth shell to nucleus electron is stronger when compared to the 5th shell to nucleus. Is it acceptable? Is correct? Now atomic radius is less here. Atomic radius is less means ionization energy is more.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. 3 electrons are added, no, ma'am. How are you saying that 3 like shells are added?
Size increasing, no? Electrons adding is nothing but size increasing.
Size is increasing, ma'am, but you told 3 shells are being added.
Size is nothing but time on paper. How can I draw? Size increases is nothing but shells only we are showing, no?
Okay. Okay, just to represent it, you have written in that way. Okay, ma'am.
You can correct it like that also point. Number of electrons increasing, what happened? Size increasing. Size increasing means attraction between the last electron and nucleus is less. Easily we can remove electron. And here, another case.
So in cations, you have to just see which is a bigger number, ma'am. That will have more
Higher the
ions.
charge. Higher the charge.
Yes, ma'am. So this is
Cations
put
case,
op
higher the...
this is opposite, no, ma'am, for negative charge.
Yes, opposite.
Okay.
Cations higher the charge, anions lower the charge. That's it. Okay, students, with this maximum questions, good models, whether KSET exam to advanced models I covered, and little more points match the following questions and other difficult questions I am going to discuss in afternoon session. Okay, 2 to 2:45 hour class. Okay, students, I am going to this section. I'm going to close this session. Any other doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you, students. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.